Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are Bacon Ranch Taquitos. These taquitos have been such a go-to for me lately. They are bacon ranch taquitos that you're gonna make in the air fryer, and they are divine and simple, and I cannot wait to share this recipe with you all. It is low carb and keto friendly. Let's jump in to talk about our ingredients. So what we're going to be using is all low carb ingredients. The main star of the show to get the taquito itself are low carb tortillas. You guys have heard me talk about these. I love the Mission Foods brand of the low carb tortillas. They're the best tasting in my opinion, and when I use them, they don't fall apart like some other alternatives do. So go ahead and get the Carb Balance Mission Foods tortillas. I'm not sponsored, just absolutely love these. And particularly for this, you need a tortilla that holds really well together. So like an almond flour or coconut flour alternative is not gonna do it well. It's gonna fall apart when you cook it. So make sure you get a flour-based one. Aside from our tortillas, you're going to need 1 jalapeno if you like it spicy. If you don't like it spicy, you don't have to include it. You guys know I like things spicy, so that's where I'm going to add one. You can also do like a chili pepper if you like, or nothing at all. I'm also gonna add some ranch. Now you wanna get the ranch seasoning itself. I don't typically use ranch seasoning, but for this, it's just really hits the spot. So make sure to get some ranch seasoning. You're also gonna need some cooked bacon. This is pre-cooked bacon. Now, you can use whichever kind of bacon you want, but make sure that it's cooked before you actually put the taquitos in the air fryer. You can buy bacon bits, which I don't recommend because I don't think that they taste as good with this. The way that I make my bacon is I actually put it into the air fryer, and this is the foolproof method that literally works every single time. I throw it into the air fryer, lay it like completely evenly, not overlapping, 390 for 10 minutes, and you get this perfect crisp bacon every single time. Lastly, for the filling, you're going to need some full fat or low fat cream cheese. And I like to blend Monterey Jack and mozzarella cheese for the filling to add, but you can use cheddar cheese or pepper jack, really whatever cheese you like. If you're using a jalapeno, let's first prep it. So we're going to piss off the jalapeno like this. You're going to cut off the top. And then all you need to do is just take your jalapeno, flip it over, and all the seeds will come out. As you can see, our seeds are coming out. It just makes it a lot easier and less messy to clean. I'm only gonna be using half a jalapeno for this whole recipe, so I'm just going to cut it in half. I don't want the flesh itself, so I'm going to cut that out. And then we're going to finely chop it. So I'm going to slice it first. And then you're going to turn and finely chop. I've set the jalapeno aside. I'm also gonna do a rough chop for the bacon. It's time to combine all our ingredients. I'm gonna take my cream cheese, and it's gonna depend on how much you're going to make. I'm gonna use 4 ounces of cream cheese, but again, it just depends, depending on how many taquitos you're gonna make, that's how much cream cheese you're gonna use. For 4 ounces of cream cheese, you're going to use about 1 cup of your cheese of choice. Again, I'm using Monterey Jack and mozzarella. That's what I think goes best with this recipe. I'm also gonna add in half of my jalapeno, my bacon, and about 1 tablespoon of the ranch seasoning. We're only gonna add 1 tablespoon for now, and then we'll taste it and see if we need to add more. We're just going to take a spatula and combine all this together. Now that our filling is done, we're going to make the actual taquitos. So you're gonna take your tortilla and put it down, and then we're gonna take our filling, put it right in the center, and basically like press it down into the tortilla. You don't wanna go too close to the edge because there's cheese, so obviously it's going to melt when you put it in the air fryer, and it'll completely melt out if you go from end to end. Next, you're going to fold in the sides, and then roll it like this. Fold in the ends right here. And that's your taquito. We're gonna do this for all of the amounts that you're going to make. I'm gonna make 3. After preheating your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 minutes, you're gonna take an air fryer liner and put it into the tray. I'm going to take my taquitos and we're going to place them down in the tray. You want to place them with the fold side down. Take some avocado oil spray and spray the top. And we're going to throw this into the air fryer to cook for about 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, take out your taquitos and you're going to flip them over. So I'm just gonna take some tongs and flip it over so that we can cook it on the other side. I know that I folded the sides in. You don't have to do that. I just like to make sure that nothing spills out when it's actually in the air fryer, but it's really up to you. If you want the more taquito look, like what you would get at 7-Eleven, then you would just roll it. But otherwise, do it burrito style if you don't want to have anything spill. I'm going to take some avocado oil spray again. We're going to spray the top. That way it gets nice and crisp. And for a final added touch of our ranch, I'm going to take some of that ranch seasoning and just sprinkle it on top of the taquito. We're gonna throw this back into the air fryer. It's gonna cook for another 8 minutes on the other side. Our taquitos are done. I've taken them out of the air fryer and we're gonna let them cool for about 5 minutes, just so it's not like burning your mouth as soon as you take it off. I've let it cool, so let's cut into this. I'm gonna do a nice little cross section right here. Oh my God. Look at that. So gooey, full of bacon, ranch, cream cheese. Oh my God, it's like heavenly. You can dip this into ranch as well if you want an extra ranch kick or some marinara sauce, but I like to eat it as is without any sauce. I can't wait for you guys to try this one. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and cheers. I have no words for this. I mean, if you guys like taquitos and you're looking for something that is keto friendly and low carb, an absolutely great lunch that is super easy to make, this is gonna be the one for you. I absolutely love this, and this has been such a great go-to for me lately. I've been like obsessed with these. Can't wait for you guys to try them. Let me know again what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.